Have you ever tried doing your homework, playing a game, and watching TV? All at once? Did it work out well? Probably not. That's why we need something super important in life and in business: time and project management. If you want to be a great student, a smart worker, or even a future CEO, this is your superpower. What is time management? Time management means planning your time so you can do the most important things without stress. Think of your time like a jar. You can fill it with big rocks, important tasks, pebbles, less important stuff, and sand, fun things. But if you fill it with sand first, there's no space for the big rocks. Example, a student has a test next week. Time management means making a study plan, avoiding distractions, finishing homework early. Famous quote, "Time is what we want most, but what we use worst," William Penn. What is project management? Definition: project management means planning, organizing, and completing a goal, step by step. Let's say your class is putting on a play. That's a project. You need a script, actors, costumes, stage setup, a deadline. Without a plan, it will be chaos. But with good project management, the play becomes a success. Steps of time management. Let's make time your best friend. Here are 5 simple time management tips. Make a to-do list. Write what you need to do. Prioritize tasks. Do the most important ones first. Set deadlines. Finish things on time. Avoid time wasters. Say no to distractions. Take breaks. A fresh mind works better. Even big CEOs use these same steps to manage their day. Steps of project management. Now let's break down how projects are handled in companies. Goal. What do we want to achieve? Plan. Make a list of tasks, time, and budget. Assign. Who will do what? Execute. Start the work. Monitor. Keep checking progress. Finish. Complete and celebrate. Example. Launching a new product at a company is a project. Good planning equals happy customers and good profit. Whether you want to write a book, build a company, or just finish homework, time and project management will make your dreams possible. Because in business, time is not just money, it's everything. Failing to plan is planning to fail. Benjamin Franklin. So don't forget to hit subscribe, because in our next videos, we'll learn how to work in teams like a pro. Let's manage our time and make it count.